Imagine a fighter jet that doesn't just fly. It transcends the very limits of current aviation. Welcome to the dawn of the sixth generation. And let's speculate on the potential of a machine we'll call the F-47. What if this aircraft could achieve hypersonic speeds? What if it wielded laser weapons, capable of engaging multiple targets with pinpoint accuracy? This isn't science fiction. It's the trajectory of modern military development. Hypersonic flight, speeds exceeding Mach 5, is no longer a distant dream. It's a reality being chased by nations across the globe. Imagine the F-47, capable of traversing vast distances in minutes, closing the gap on enemy assets before they even know it's there. This isn't just about speed. It's about strategic dominance. It's about reacting faster than any adversary can comprehend. This speed will necessitate new airframe design, new engine technology, and new materials capable of withstanding extreme temperatures. We're talking about scramjets, advanced composites, and a level of engineering that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. But speed alone isn't enough. The F-47 envisions a future where traditional munitions give way to directed energy weapons. Laser technology, once the stuff of science fiction, is rapidly maturing. Imagine a fighter jet capable of engaging multiple targets with beams of focused energy, delivering instantaneous and devastating effects. Missiles that can be evaded, bullets that can be dodged, become obsolete against the speed of light. These lasers could be used to disable enemy drones, intercept incoming missiles, or even cripple enemy aircraft systems. The power consumption is immense, requiring breakthroughs in onboard energy generation, but the potential payoff is revolutionary. Imagine a fighter with virtually unlimited ammunition, limited only by its power supply. This is the future of aerial combat. Beyond speed and weapons, the F-47 represents a paradigm shift in information warfare. Its sensor suite would be unparalleled, capable of detecting and tracking targets at extreme ranges. AI-powered systems would process this data in real time, providing pilots with unprecedented situational awareness. This isn't just about seeing farther. It's about understanding the battlefield in a way never before possible. The F-47 would be a node in a vast network, sharing information with other platforms, creating a seamless and interconnected battle space. Imagine a fighter that can anticipate enemy movements before they happen, that can react with lightning speed, and that can coordinate with other assets to achieve overwhelming dominance. Cut back to the CGI rendering of the F-47, now flying through a simulated combat environment. The F-47, or whatever form the sixth-generation fighter takes, represents a leap into the unknown. It's a vision of a future where speed, energy, and information converge to create a new era of air dominance. While the challenges are immense, the potential rewards are even greater. This isn't just about building a better fighter. It's about redefining the very nature of aerial warfare. It's about ensuring that the skies remain a domain of technological and strategic superiority. And as we look to the future, we ask, what other incredible technologies will pave the way for the next generation of air power?